Hello, my name is Mark Griffith. This is going to be a brief introduction into how to learn how to trade stocks or shares. And this is a good idea before you begin to actually trade them, because it can be dangerous and you can lose lots of money. So, there are lots of courses available, some online, some attached to a local college near you, some actually through brokerages, available through brokerages or through banks. And the first thing you want to do is shop around for these courses. It's a very valuable investment of your time and effort, because there's nothing quite like seeing some trading happening, talking to traders, finding out how things can go wrong and how they can go right before you start doing this with your own time and your own money. When you're checking these courses, one of the most important things to do is to check your instructor. The instructor on the course, have they had a background in finance? How much do they know about finance? Are they traders themselves? This is the interesting part. Check the background of the instructor. You might even want to try and meet the person before you begin the course, if it's a course in your area. You're taking, for example, evening classes. A second thing is, how many visual aids are there? This is something you want to think about. Graphs, diagrams, these are very, very useful, and you're going to need to get used to reading graphs. A lot of financial information comes in graph form, and they're not all simple bar charts. For example, do you know what a candlestick chart looks like? So you need to get used to those, and in order to get used to those, you need to have them on your course. So try to find out how much visual information there is, visual numerical information in the form of graphs and charts. That's very, very useful to get used to. And the third thing you need to do when you're deciding on where the course is going to be or what kind of course you're going to do, the third thing you need to do is check if they have any live trading. Is there going to be a lesson, perhaps towards the end of the course, or one or two lessons, where you trade live and you see a little bit more what it's really like, what the unexpected events can be like, how the trading strategies work out, not just on the blackboard or the whiteboard, not just in the PowerPoint presentation, but actually in real time on a computer screen in the classroom. If there's live trading, if you trust your instructor, and if there's lots of visual information, then you're onto a good thing. Try to get that course, get on it, spend some time, do it properly, and you're much, much better prepared to begin trading in the real world with real money, yours. Good luck.